Today we will look at main ideas, which is a very common question that you will see on your entrance test for reading. So let's go ahead and get started. A main idea, what is it? Well, it's the author's message to the audience about a specific topic. There are a couple of questions that help you to understand the main idea of a reading selection. Let's look at those. First of all, you need to ask, who or what is the passage about? You also need to consider what point is the author making about the topic or the who or what. Now, there are different types of main idea questions on your entrance test. There are stated main idea questions and implied main idea questions. Right now, we'll look at the stated main idea questions. So a stated main idea appears in the topic sentence or thesis statement of the reading or text. Okay? So a stated main idea appears in the topic sentence or thesis statement of the reading or text. The implied main idea is not stated in the text. What is an implied main idea? An implied main idea is a suggested overriding point of the author about the conveyed topic, which is supported by what is stated in the passage. Let's look at some examples of stated main ideas. So following these steps can help individuals find an appropriate career path. One type. Healthy habits provide individuals with physical stamina, mental clarity, and positive feelings. Another example. Thirdly, there are many necessary skills to excel in a business career, but one of the most important skill sets that businesses want employees to have is strong oral and written communication skills. And lastly, the most important values in life are honesty, respect, and patience. So all four of these statements are examples of either topic sentences or thesis statements. Now, it's also important to consider the role of supporting details when identifying the main idea of the reading selection. So what are supporting details? Supporting details are facts, reasons, examples, illustrations, statistics, information of that type. What's the purpose of supporting details? Well, the purpose of supporting details are to discuss, to explain, to analyze, to describe the main idea of the reading selection. Let's look at a few examples here. So let's look at an example of how supporting details are utilized in the text in order to denote or to communicate the main idea. So, following these steps can help individuals find an appropriate career path. Well, how would these individuals carry out this process, which the word steps denotes? Take a career inventory assessment would be one possible step that these people could take. Speak to a career counselor, another possible step. Read about the job market in desired area, another possible step. The author then would further explain, describe, analyze each one of these statements, and within that information, the author would be communicating support, okay? That information in the text expounds on the main idea. So as you read through the key supporting points, major and minor details, you will hear the main idea being developed through the thoughts expressed, the ideas communicated. Let's look at another example. There are many necessary skills to excel in a business career, but one of the most important skill sets that businesses want employees to have is strong oral and written communication skills. So, what type of skills do employers want individuals to have when they enter a business career in these areas? Well, we know that these employers will require the employees to give presentations about a product, write reports, and generate data about a company product, compose emails to superiors, to coworkers, and to clients in the field. Within this written piece, the author then would explain, give examples, analyze these aspects necessary in order to have strong written and oral communication skills. This information would develop the main idea and express it as well. So it's important to look at your support. One more example. The most important virtues in life are honesty, respect, and patience. Honesty. Well, why is honesty important? Well, honesty creates trust with others. Honesty gives a more accurate sense of a situation. Respect. Why do we need respect? Respect facilitates long-lasting friendships. Respect also opens lines of communication with others. Patience. We need patience. Why do we need patience? What does it do for us? It encourages positive working relationships. In addition, when individuals are patient, these types of people can follow and implement procedures that require tedious tasks. So the support, again, develops and expresses the main idea. So please consider this whenever you're reviewing your text. Sample main idea question stems. What is the central idea of this reading selection? What is the main idea of this reading selection? What is an appropriate title for this reading selection? And what is the topic of this reading selection about? Sample supporting detail question stems. According to this passage, the author states, the author's explanation conveys, and questions like why, when, and how. So main ideas and supporting details will be covered on your entrance test. You will have questions about the main idea of the text, and you will also have questions about specific supporting detail statements in the text. So please consider both and take your time and review these skills. Next, we will talk about types of thought patterns.